We are pleased to present this 2021 Toyota Highlander XL Premium finished in Tokyo Red metallic paint. And because our car is the top of the range XL Premium model, you do get a heads-up display, 360 surround view cameras, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a heated steering wheel, and 20-inch alloys which you only get on the XL Premium. Some other great features that are definitely worth mentioning are the tilting and sliding panoramic roof, the camera integrated into the rear view mirror, a JBL audio system, a wireless charger in the centre console, and of course, 7 seats. Our example boasts a full Toyota main dealer service history, which means the manufacturer's warranty could cover you until 2031. So if you are interested in a top of the range Toyota Highlander, then please don't hesitate to get in touch.